Hi guys, welcome to JobViser. So as seen in the thumbnail, today's video topic is making an effective resume using ChatGPT. Video is gonna be really interesting. So before getting into the video, via analytics, I have seen 70% of you haven't subscribed yet to the channel. So please do subscribe. Subscribing gives me motivation to make more such videos like this. So please do subscribe. So we have uploaded the complete interview preparation series on our channel. So if you are someone who are looking for an interview preparation video, please do check out the playlist. The playlist link will be available in the iCards as well as the description in the pinned comments wherever it is possible. So do check it out, and without any delay, let's get started. So before actually getting into the video, I will be giving you the basic definition of ChatGPT for those who don't know. So basically ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence based chatbot which will be answering our questions and queries via the chat. Let's know the meaning of ChatGPT from the ChatGPT itself. This is how the ChatGPT interface looks. Let's just type in what is ChatGPT and see. ChatGPT is an AI-based chatbot which can answer all your questions. So let's quickly jump into the main topic of making an effective resume using ChatGPT. To start with, first just Google ChatGPT and the first result will be from openai.com. So open that, you will be finding this page where this will be explaining you or everything about what is ChatGPT and all. So here in the top you can see the try button or here. So just click on the try button, log in with your credentials so that a new chat will be open. Right, so here it will be showing few examples on how like explain quantum computing in simple terms, etc. allows user. So let's start with, this is all query, as I said previously, this is all query based. So we need to give the queries to this AI based chatbot in order to get the answer. Like write CV for freshers who studied computer science from India with some internship experience in web development, and also a professional summary with a good skill. So as you can see here, I have given the query as write CV for fresher who studied computer science from India with some internship experience in web development, and also a professional summary with good skill set at the top. So let's see what ChatGPT gives. See, it started with professional summary, as we have mentioned, to give a professional summary with a good skill set at the top. So yeah, and as I have mentioned about web development, so it is giving the skills related to web development. And yeah, Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science, web developer intern, so company, worked on multiple projects and maintaining computing websites. So yeah, see, this is how this gives the basic format so that we can work on. See, hobbies and languages, etc. Let's see whether we can generate an resume for someone with an experience. So I'll be giving the next query as write CV for a 3-year experienced web developer based on React.js. So this is basically a resume for a React.js developer. So let's see what it gives. So see, it started with a professional summary. Highly motivated, experienced web developer with a passion, delivering high quality, scalable. So the professional summary looks really good for me. So it will be adding the skills, work experience, etc. So everything will be generated. So just you can just copy paste the same and use it for your resume as a reference. So if you don't like any of these aspects in this, you can just modify it. Like for example, add a reference as a reference from ChatGPT. So like this, you can also change you can add few things if you want, like have mentioned reference as referred by ChatGPT. So it's saying reference as referred by ChatGPT. So like that, you can modify these things happening over here. So let's try some other things like cover letter for a fresher. See, this will be also giving you the cover letter for a fresher, like his or like this. You can use ChatGPT to also generate cover letters. And also I'll show you another example where we can use, like, if you want to apply for an internship, like how to send an email applying for a intern position. So let's see. So it also gives the same, like, subject, application for internship position at the company, hiring manager name, etc. So this is how you can use ChatGPT professionally in order to make your work productive. So this is what we have in this video. So if you like the video, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon so that you will never miss any video from JobViser.